How to post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping it. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me go it quick and easy and how you can post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Well, to post multiple photos on Instagram, you can simply head into Instagram, tap on the plus icon, head over to post section. Then here you should get the option to select multiple. Here you can see this little icon, right? Square icon, you can tap on it. Then you can proceed to select multiple pictures, videos here. So let me select multiple pictures, then tap on next. Now, unfortunately, if your image is not on the Instagram upload size, for instance, the Instagram upload, whatever you upload on Instagram is uploaded on the square, right? So if it's not there, then it'll be cropped. You can resize it and you can reshape it. But that's it. Now you can also choose this portrait mode here. If you don't want it cropped here, set to portrait mode, and now here you can see the mode here. Tap on next and proceed to upload it. This is how you can upload multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.